America. Love it or leave it.
Howdy everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm Colton. Redneck Resale. Alrighty guys and gals, so today first thing we're going to do, we're going to clean this bat. I'm going to show you how I clean the bats. And then we're going to run through these comic books so y'all can see all of them. Still got to look them up, and then we're going to test out this flea and try to get some of this stuff listed. So let's jump into it and get this thing going. Basically this bat, see, it's got all kinds of scuffs on it. See all that? Just to clean it up a little bit and make it look nice. I just take me a magic eraser and clean everything with Windex. So just wet a little bit of Windex on it and just sit there and do this right here. And it'll get just about 80% of that off, a lot of it. I mean, it ain't gonna be perfect. A lot of that'll clean off, see? And you can sit here on these spots and do it more and get most of them off. But I mean, I ain't too worried about the majority of them. I mean, it already looks better than what it did. And that right there is going to be all I do to that. I mean, it's still got some pretty good scuffs on it. If it's worth a lot of money, I may get them out, but otherwise I ain't. But if there's certain ones, that magic eraser just take them all off. Alrighty, so we're gonna run through these comic books real fast, like, so y'all can see them and what we got. That's just a Catwoman. That's a Rogue. Okay, we got this She-Hulk. This one, She-Hulk. Another She-Hulk. Web of Spider-Man. See him in that. Rogue. Judgment on Gotham. Some of these are a little bigger than the other ones. Bruce Wayne. She-Hulk. A lot of She-Hulks.
What? You may want to scrub this.
Another one of them. She just told me I need to scrub that bat better. Let's see why.
A 32 inch and a 22 ounce, which is a 31 inch and a 21 ounce, went for $189.
Holy smokes.
And it's the same kind.
Any more?
I didn't really look. I stopped at that one.
$179 for that one. That's just like ours, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see that? Yeah, we need to clean that thing better.
That one went for $59. I mean, $51.
We're going to get all these scuffs out. Y'all don't get to see back here very often, but we testing out this week. Y'all think there's any chance there's Mario Kart in here?
No, I just tried it. This screen's got some scratches on it, so we'll see if it works.
So let's see. We're going to test this Wii out. Basically, we're just hooking it up to play it.
You're not having it up there. I think it's hooked up right.
Green. Uh-oh.
Maybe the color code.
You got it on route 1?
Yes, I have it on the right one.
Hold on, plug it back in, it's changing.
Yeah, I know it changed it. I switched it that way.
Alrighty, so that piece of junk don't work. Like, it won't come up on the screen. And I brought a Wii that does work, I know works, and plugged it in, see it right here. And everything's hooked up right, just this one ain't coming on the screen. Piece of junk.
So it'll have to be sold for parts.
Sometimes you can hit stuff with a hammer and it'll work. So we're going to have to sell that for parts.
I don't even know if the controller works.
Bad situation. Anyhow, I'm cleaning up this bat because it's a high dollar bat, so I'm going to get all these little scuffs out of it, most of them. Just take a little more elbow grease. If it wasn't for like a $50 bat, I wouldn't do it, but it's like a $150 bat, so we're going to do it. And then get these things listed up maybe today. I listed these things right here earlier. This printer, this DVD player, and this router. That was a bad buy. This right here, I listed it up and it sold within 5 minutes for $34.99 plus shipping, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so first y'all check out this new lamp I got yesterday. Got the deer antlers. See that? Ain't that nice? Got a camo shade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Kind of hiding my money bag and my little sign there, but that's okay. Nonetheless, alrighty, gonna show you a couple of things here. First thing, I picked this up at a yard sale this morning, but I wasn't filming. Y'all check that puppy out. That's a big old thermometer, ain't it? I think I'm gonna keep it though. What do you think? Keep it or sell it? I paid $10 for it. I don't know. I think I'd get 50 for it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
We'll think about it.
And I got this in the mail Saturday. I done opened it up here because, once again, I'm impatient. And this actually came from Roll It Forward SC. His name's Henry. I'm sure y'all have seen him in the chats and everything. Really awesome guy. He sent us something to hang up on the wall here, so let me pull this out and show you. I don't want us to pull it. And there's a note in here. Let me go ahead and show you. You ready? Check that puppy out. Got me a Golf, South Carolina license plate. Really pretty. Got the palm tree, smiling faces, beautiful places. So we're going to hang that up in here. Where do you think we ought to hang it?
We may have to move some stuff around.
I'm kind of filling up on space, ain't I? We got this wall.
Well, we need to get our other shelf up before we...
But I like this wall because this is where we do our lives at. I think I can hang it right here, can't I?
Yeah, we can move some stuff around.
Right there?
Yeah, we can move stuff around.
Yeah, that's where we're going to put it, right there. Anyhow. So that right there is awesome, Henry. We sure do appreciate it. I mean, that's awesome. Y'all, all you guys and gals that send us stuff, I can't thank y'all enough for it. I mean, just real humbling and amazing. But he's got a note here. It says, Colton and Courtney, howdy howdy from the low country of South Carolina. Here's a little something for one of your walls in the shop. By the way, the shop is coming along nicely. Thank you for all your help and educations. Your videos are great and very entertaining. Keep it up. By the way, here's a new YouTube slogan you might want to use. C and K to 5K. Henry, I like that. That's a good one. C and K to 5K.
Sounds like we're doing a marathon.
Ooh, running.
Yeah.
5K though, that'd be a lot of subscribers. That'd be a huge blessing. Always looking forward to your next video, Henry. Roll It Forward SC. And then he's got his eBay store too here. I'm gonna have to lurk on that and see what all he got for sale. And here's the note. Y'all see his eBay store there? ebay.com/user/Roll It Forward SC for South Carolina. That's awesome. C and K to 5K. So we're gonna put his note back here with our other wall of notes. Our wall is filling up with notes, ain't it? Looks good. Get in there. I don't know. Why do they call these things thumbtacks? You can't hardly ever push these things in with your thumb.
The hammer's in the drawer.
How's that look? Beautiful?
It works.
That's beautiful. Cool. And see, we got all our other stuff up here. We got our Alabama picture frame. We got our Arcade Treasure Center mug, our bullet, watch, our lovely, oh, he didn't do it, Pillsbury. Ain't that awesome? Ain't enough light hitting it. Flea in a man, Nintendo Power. Our models, I still need to put them things together. Johnny's mug, all kinds of stuff, filling it up. Alrighty guys and gals, that's going to conclude this video. And it is hot right now. It is currently 756 degrees outside with a humidity, feel like temperature of 2,465. So
It's 88 degrees.
It's hot. Hopefully y'all all are having a great Sunday and ready.
Also a great Flag Day.
Yep, it's Flag Day. Let's see, 300 years ago? No, 1777 to now.
I don't know. I ain't doing the math.
But nonetheless, Hopefully y'all ready to get a work week going tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video, do us a favor and hit that like button for us.
And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button as well as the notification bell.
And we'll see all you guys and gals. We need to clean this nasty car, don't we?
I may do that today. I don't know.
I just seen all that stuff on the camera back there and thought, my goodness, we look like we running a junk store in here.
It's IKEA bags.
And a book bag. And Walmart bags. French fries, M&M's.
There ain't French fries and M&M's back there.
We'll see y'all tomorrow. You all take care.
Bye, y'all.